The markets declined and rupee also slumped to a record low today. But some important decisions from the government. Gold is set to get more expensive as the government has hiked custom duty on gold. Now, why has this happened? The government says a sudden surge in imports of gold is putting pressure on the current account deficit. As we know, this deficit is the shortfall between the money received from exports and the money paid for imports. So to curb this import bill, custom duty has been increased to 15%. Now, there's another important step that's taken, an excise duty of 6 rupees per litre on petrol and 13 rupees per litre on diesel. Both have been imposed today. Now, why has this happened? The government says while crude oil prices have increased sharply in recent months, the prices of domestic fuel have shown an even sharper increase because the refiners are exporting petroleum products for higher profits and they are drying out the supply back in India. Remember, India is the 5th largest refined petroleum exporter as per OECD data, and the government says that this measure will ensure the domestic availability of petroleum products. The government also clarified that there will be no adverse impact on domestic fuel prices as this decision only impacts exports. Now, all of these measures come amid a consistently weakening rupee. Rupee closed at another record low. It weakened to 79.04 per dollar, the second time ever it has been below 79. This means our money continues to lose its value in global markets, making exports, foreign travel, education all the more expensive. Now, following the duty on oil exports as suspected, energy stocks were hit the most today, dragging the markets down by almost 0.2%. Sensex lost 111 points to end at 52,907, while Nifty settled at 15,752. Now, ONGC lost over 13%, which is its biggest slide since March 2020, right when the pandemic hit. Reliance also lost over 7%, so it was definitely a carnage in energy stocks today, Maha, after the duty hike announcements by the government.